The man accused of murdering a healthcare CEO comes from a family of healthcare philanthropists? This is the insane irony behind the Luigi Mangione case. His family, a beloved Baltimore real estate dynasty, has donated millions to hospitals, even having a hospital wing named after them. Luigi's grandfather was a classic immigrant success story, building an empire from nothing. Now, the family's golden reputation is clashing with allegations that Luigi was driven by a rage against the very industry his family so publicly supported. It's a shocking story that peels back the layers of a wealthy family's public image to reveal the darkness that can hide within. What secrets are lurking in the families of the super rich?
What do billionaires do when the world ends? They head to their luxury underground bunkers, and Netflix's new hit series, Billionaire's Bunker, is giving us a peek inside. From the creator of Money Heist, this Spanish thriller shows how the world's wealthiest families plan to survive a nuclear apocalypse. But it's not all just fancy doomsday prepping. The show exposes the deep-seated feuds and rivalries between these powerful dynasties, even as they're trapped together underground. It's a fictional look at a very real trend of the ultra-rich, building elaborate survival shelters. And it's a fascinating glimpse into their mindset. Are they just paranoid? Or do they know something we don't?
How much does an OnlyFans career cost a wealthy family? For the parents of Sydney-based star Paris Oh-Yang, the answer is $2.5 million. They've been forced to slash the price of their stunning French-style mansion after it failed to sell. The luxury property, once listed for $12 million, is now going for under $10 million, a massive financial hit. It's a dramatic example of how a child's controversial career can have a very real and very expensive impact on their family's fortune and social standing. While Paris is making her own money, her family is paying a different kind of price. Is this just a market downturn, or is the family's reputation scaring buyers away? Where do billionaires really hide their money? It's not in a vault like Scrooge McDuck. The ultra-rich use a complex triangle of power to conceal their fortunes. This involves a web of trusts, shell corporations, and offshore accounts that make it nearly impossible to track their true wealth. These structures are designed to minimize taxes, hide assets from creditors, and maintain secrecy for generations. It's a sophisticated game of financial chess, and the world's wealthiest families are the grand masters. This system allows them to operate with a level of privacy and power that the average person can only dream of. Is it brilliant financial planning, or a rigged system that benefits the 1%?
You might not know their names, but they control what you buy, what you eat, and how you live. Behind the gleaming glass towers of cities like Vancouver are powerful, secretive dynasties that shape the economy from the shadows. These billionaire families have built empires in everything from real estate to retail, and their influence is everywhere. They are the hidden puppet masters of the urban landscape, making decisions that affect millions of people every day. This isn't a conspiracy theory. It's the reality of how wealth and power are concentrated in the hands of a select few. It's time to pull back the curtain and see who's really running our cities. What do you think?
Your inheritance could be stolen before you ever see it. A new epidemic of transnational inheritance fraud is targeting families, with sophisticated scammers draining entire estates. One Nigerian man was just sentenced to 97 months in a U.S. prison for his role in one such scheme. But it's not just external threats. Bitter family feuds over wills are also on the rise, leading to years of legal battles that can eat up the entire inheritance and fees. These disputes can tear families apart, leading to criminal charges and lifelong grudges. It's a stark reminder that where there's a will, there's often a way for someone to get greedy. Have you ever witnessed a family fight over an inheritance?
The children of a powerful U.S. Democrat congressman are being accused of bullying a gay personal assistant to the point of suicide. A new lawsuit alleges that the children of Senator Ron Wyden engaged in relentless sexual harassment and homophobic bullying against the family's assistant. This tragic case pulls back the curtain on the dark side of political dynasties, where privilege and power can create a toxic environment of abuse. It's a heartbreaking story that raises serious questions about the behavior of the children of the elite and the accountability of those in power. Is this an isolated incident or a symptom of a much larger problem within wealthy and powerful families?
Imagine being publicly shamed into donating money at a fancy charity gala. That's what wealthy guests at a recent Sydney event are claiming happened to them. The host of the evening is accused of using aggressive and uncomfortable tactics to pressure attendees into giving money, leaving them feeling shamed and exposed. The incident has sparked a debate about the ethics of fundraising and the expectations placed on the ultra-rich. While charities need donations, is it ever okay to bully people into giving? It's a fascinating look at the complex social dynamics of philanthropy and the power plays that happen behind the scenes of high society events. What's the most awkward charity event you've ever been to?
Do wealthy families use charity to wash their reputations and build influence? The Mangione family, now in the spotlight because of the Luigi Mangione case, has a long history of major healthcare philanthropy. They've donated millions to hospitals and medical research centers, with their name adorning university pools and hospital wings. But this generosity also creates a powerful network of connections and influence within the very profitable healthcare industry. It raises a critical question. Is this pure altruism or a strategic way for a wealthy dynasty to embed itself in the fabric of a powerful sector, gaining access and goodwill? It's a look at the hidden side of giving back. What do you think?